everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a small little Plannahannah haul that I want to go over. So first of all, in my order I got this journaling card. She does personalize it on the back with your name and she signs it. And then we'll go into the freebies. So we got this purple hollow label sampler, which I probably won't use. We got a sticker here, and it's a dragon. I will use that. We got the font of the month, and in a script, and this is just black. And then the all freebies is have the day you deserve, in this like, oh, this is pixie red. Pixie red. And then this is, I believe, gold stars, and this is the fantasy wax melts freebie. So those are my freebies, and then on to the order. We're gonna do this first actually. So here are my custom multis. I do these for my memory planner. These I don't think you're gonna see very well, but we have these like 2 sheets of the matte silver for my memory planner, which you'll see soon. I have 2 in the sorry, my phone was going off. 2 in matte bronze, 2 in, I believe, mid blue, sparkly gold, and I have the foil of the month in just foiled black for January. So those are my scripts that I will be using in my memory planner. And now on to what I actually like, other things that I got. So I got 2 of these string lights in matte bronze, and I'm going to be pairing them with these solid underlays in winter green, which I thought would be so pretty for a kit. There's foil bits coming everywhere. I got 2 of the Greek underlays in red. I have a build your own bundle here in gold. So this sheet I believe is standard. So we have our icons and we have our headers here. I believe I chose font 5 for the scripts, and we have our scripts. We have the numbers here as well as hole reinforcers and little flags. I chose the bow washi, the mixed overlays, and then the sold gold underlays, which I am going to be pairing with these Greek underlays as well. I have 2 solid light pink for a kit that I'm using. And then I got this bundle for a kit that is coming up in March. And this is in the foil of the month for January, which was like that, like a unicorn almost. But this is a build your own bundle again. So we have the confetti headers and icons. I got the foil of the month, but I also got the font of the month. I got the unicorn underlays, or washi, the confetti mixed overlays, and then I did get 2. I chose the unicorn underlays, and that is for a kit that is coming up in March. So there is all of my pretty foil. I'm sorry you can no longer get the foil of the month or font of the month for January, but she does have new foil and font of the month for February. So I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys will be seeing these foiling fun things here shortly, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.